So hello guys, and welcome to this third class of our course. In here we're going to see how to create your free Shopify account. So my goal in this class is not to create your store yet, but we will create your Shopify account. So let's start. The first thing you will have to do is to open up the attachment that I put it on this class. This will bring you to a Word or a PDF document. On this document, you will have a link. So it's very simple. You just click on the link that you have on that PDF. So it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Sell online with Shopify. After that, very easy. You go down here. You click Start Free Trial. So I'm going to do all the procedure with you. Simple. Let's call it backpack 10001. Good. Create our store. So something like this will happen. Then here you'll see, congratulations, your store is ready. So very easy. They'll ask you to tell something about you. So you just not selling products. Yeah, okay, $0. Then you click on next. After that, you'll have to complete this form. When it's done, simply click on enter my store. So very easy, very simple. You will see a page like this. So your trial just started, and yeah. Okay, so that's where you're supposed to be. Your Shopify account is set up. Here is your account. So your first name, your last name. If you need to modify something, it's all here. If you need to change the language, everything's here. For the security, it's all here. If you need to change your password, we cover the email. You want to have a two-step authentication, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for our creation of our store.